Hello and welcome. I'm Brandon, your safety trainer here, with today's lesson on Lockout, Tagout, Authorized Employees. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. It is inevitable that machines and electrical equipment will need maintenance and repairs from time to time. When maintenance and repairs need to be done, employees should use lockout, tagout procedures. Lockout, tagout is the process of stopping energy at its primary and secondary sources and ensuring that that energy cannot be restored until all lockout, tagout devices have been removed. This lesson will mainly focus on defining what lockout, tagout means, the sources of energy that may require a lockout, tagout protocol, proper lockout, tagout procedures, and safe work practices that will ensure your safety and the safety of those around you. If you are an employee that is authorized to perform lockout, tagout, you may already be familiar with the definitions of lockout and tagout. However, if you are new to the procedure, pay attention so you become familiar with these terms. Lockout means machinery or equipment has been secured by disengaging the power source and blocking or locking the movable parts to prevent injury from inadvertent or unexpected movement. The machinery cannot be restarted until the lockout device has been removed. Tagout means a tag is placed on the controls of the power source of the machinery or equipment that indicates that it cannot be restarted or operated while the machine or equipment is being serviced or repaired. Now that you know the definitions of lockout and tagout, it is also important to note that there can be many sources of energy in a work area that need to be controlled. Sources of energy can include electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, mechanical, chemical, thermal, radiation, steam, water, and gravity.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.